In this video, I'll take you on a walking tour of the lovely city, Copan Ruins.
Copan Ruins is in the northern part of Honduras, just 20 minutes from the Guatemala border.
Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is my 65th country, Copan Ruins, Honduras.
First thing you notice as you enter this town, you'll see the sign above welcoming you into the town, Buenavidos a Copan Ruins, with its cobblestone bridge and tuk-tuks running about. Make no mistake about it, you've now entered into Copan Ruins, the small town. It's a little bit after 7 in the morning, and this town of Copan Ruins is just waking up and starting their day. The men are off to work, and the women are getting their children ready for school. There's plenty of hotels to choose from here, and the hotel I stayed at was the Hotel Acropolis Mayan, right there, the orange one, with affordable rates of rooms less than $50 a night, and right across the street, the Los Asados restaurant, really good affordable food, and many of other hotels to choose from as well. Most people come to this town because they want to visit the nearby Mayan ancient Copan Ruins, where you can feel at one with them, climb on them, and feel as though you were there 100 years before Christ when these were made. If you'd like to see that video I made, click on the link above. But this video is all about this small town of Copan Ruins. The very first thing I noticed as I entered into this little town were the tuk-tuks and the cobblestone roads, and then the colonial architecture which make up this charming little town. The colonial architecture came when Spain had originally colonized Honduras, and then Honduras got their independence from them in 1821. A statue of General Francisco Morazan is proudly displayed in the center of the city. Thing I noticed about, look at this, little stray dogs. Everywhere you see them just hanging out around the corner sites. Very quiet, docile dogs. Oh, nope, I guess not. Little tuk-tuks that they use to get around here in this small little town of Copan Ruins. Here's the big church. Right here, the blue sky, center of town. Look at this. Really nice. Let's go and check out that church. Look at this. A nice, simple church. And taking a walk around this city. It's very small, mainly made up of this whole area here, this little center of town. Let's take a walk here, show you around this place. Nice little quiet streets in Copan Ruins. Look at this colorful little area here. Really nice. Nice architecture, colonial style. Reminds me what I just saw in Antigua, Guatemala. People here aren't shy when it comes to making money. These people set up tables and a restaurant in the middle of the street. And these people here set up on a street corner to start selling food to make some money. Chicken is a big thing that's eaten here in Central America. The 3 countries I've been in so far have many, many chicken places. Belize, Guatemala, and now Honduras. Here's a supermarket right here. Look at this. Really neat architecture in Honduras with the little tuk-tuks riding down the road. Ah, look at this. An Israeli restaurant. Never seen anything like that. Didn't think I'd find that in Central America. Wonder if they got some matzo ball soup on the menu. And look at this, Guatemalan flags high at top. More colonial style buildings. Look at that, really nice. Really like the colorful buildings they have here. They're not afraid to express and show their colors. No matter how bright they may be, they're showing them loud and proud. Big traffic jam here in town. Look at this. All kinds of honking going on. Cars want to go. Tuk-tuks just talking, socializing. Motorbikes running wild. And this one truck continues honking his way. Street vendor here. Hola. So, rush hour has happened in Copan Ruinas, Honduras. Here comes, look at this. Look at all these people. The sun is approaching sunset in about 20 minutes, but it's soon going to be over that mountain right there. So I'll start to lose most of my light. As the day comes to an end, the people from Copan Ruinas flock to the center of town to enjoy some music and some good food. These birds are known in this region. In fact, just a kilometer down the road at Copan Ruinas, you'll see these birds flying around. The town is just about ready to get started here with the evening sunset coming in. Oh, they got the dancing girls out now. Look at this, blue hour, and the church lights have come on around this little lovely town of Copan. Let's take a walk on over here. When the sun goes down, the lights come on, and the town comes alive. As the day comes to an end in Copan Ruinas, I'd like to remind you, if you would like to see my other videos from Central America, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.